Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make Dhaba style egg curry. To the boiling water, we will be adding 4 to 5 eggs. We'll add a pinch of baking soda followed by a pinch of salt. Let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, in the pan, we will add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, a pinch of turmeric powder, a quarter spoon of dhania powder, and quarter spoon of chili powder. Keep the flame on low and mix the powders on the low flame. Make sure they won't get burnt. Gently place the egg half on the pan. Spread the eggs all across the pan and let them absorb the masala. Flip and roast them for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we'll keep them aside. In the same pan, we will be adding an oil followed by half tablespoon of jeera and 3 chopped onions and 4 to 5 slit up green chilies. Saute until golden brown color. We'll add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We'll saute until the raw smell is gone. In the meanwhile, to the mixer jar, we'll add 3 tomatoes and 6 to 7 cashews which was previously soaked in the water for 10 to 15 minutes. And we'll make a puree. And we'll add this puree to the pan. And cook until the raw smell of the tomatoes is gone. We'll cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we'll be adding half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of dhania powder, and salt as per as taste, and half teaspoon of garam masala. And mix everything and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now transfer the roasted eggs to the kadai and keep the flame on the low and cook it for 5 minutes. Let the eggs absorb all the flavors in the masala. Now for the final touch, we'll be adding a coriander leaves and we'll transfer into a bowl. Now our Dhaba style egg curry is ready to serve with roti or rice.